Welcome back to another Element Pack Pro tutorial. Today, we're exploring the Events Calendar Grid widget by BdThemes. This widget helps you display events in a stylish, customizable grid powered by the Events Calendar plugin. Perfect for showcasing upcoming activities, workshops, or conferences, it offers flexible layouts, filters, and design options, making event presentation clear, modern, and engaging. Let's dive in. To begin, open the search bar located on the left-hand panel of your editor and type in Events Calendar Grid. Once it appears in the results, simply drag and drop it into your editing area. As soon as you place it, you'll notice the widget displays its default design, and from here you'll be ready to start customizing it according to your needs. Inside the Content tab, the first section you'll work with is Layout. Here you can switch between three available skins: Default, Anal, and Akara. Each skin offers its own unique style, so take a moment to explore them all and choose the one that best matches the overall look of your website. Next, you can adjust the number of columns, with options ranging from 1 up to 6, allowing you to control how many events appear in each row. You'll also find settings for column gap, where you can select from small, medium, large, or collapse, and a slider to fine-tune the row gap between items. Below this, you'll find several toggle switches that allow you to show or hide various elements, including the image, title, date, excerpt, meta, cost, website, location, anchor link, and item match height. You'll also be able to set the excerpt length, ensuring the event descriptions appear precisely the way you want. The following section is an image. Here, you can define the image resolution, adjust the image width, and set the image ratio for better visual consistency. Following that is the query section, which gives you control over how events are pulled and displayed on your page. Those are the fundamental adjustments under the Content tab. Now, let's move to the Style tab for deeper design customizations. The first section here is Items. You can begin by setting the content padding amount, which adds spacing inside each event block. From there, you can select a hover style color to make your design more interactive. You'll also find the option to adjust the border radius, giving your items rounded or sharp corners depending on your preferred look. This section includes two sub-tabs, Normal and Hover. In the normal state, you can modify the background color, box shadow, border type, and border radius. In the hover state, you can create unique effects that activate when visitors move their cursor over an event item. Next is the Image section. Here you can fine-tune the padding and margin, as well as the image radius to round the corners of your visuals. You can also control both opacity and hover opacity, giving your images subtle transitions when hovered over. Moving on to the Title section, you'll have complete control over the text. You can change both the color and hover color, apply custom typography settings, and even modify the separator color. Beneath that, you'll see a spacing option to adjust the distance between the title and other elements. The Date section allows you to style how your event dates are displayed. You can customize the day color and its typography, then adjust the month color and typography settings separately, giving you complete flexibility over the look of your calendar's date labels. In the Excerpt section, you'll be able to change the excerpt color and apply unique typography options, ensuring your event descriptions are both readable and visually consistent. Finally, we arrive at the Meta section. Here, you can set the meta color and icon color, along with the typography for the metadata. You'll also find options to adjust the meta padding and change the border color for further refinement. Once all your adjustments are complete and the design looks exactly how you want, click the Publish button to save your work. Don't forget to preview your page to see how everything comes together in real time. And that's it! You now have a beautifully designed and fully customized events calendar grid that seamlessly matches your website's style and enhances your event display. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest features and tools from Element Pack Pro. Thanks for watching.